everyone, for today's video I have two different things I want to share with you, and first off, it is a story that was shared with me that I found as a really neat story, and I thought you guys might want to hear it as well. This story was given to me by a gentleman, and the story involves his father, whom we're going to call Bill in this video. Bill and his best friend saw each other every single day, and they just were practically inseparable. This happened years ago right here in my hometown. But for whatever reason, Bill's best friend had to leave, and he would be gone and absent from Bill's life for years. So this absence led them to become very separate, and they had no contact whatsoever when this man left. This is something that happened when he came back. He came back to find Bill after his many years of absence, and he went back to the home. And he sees Bill at the end of the road chopping wood at his house that he'd lived in. And Bill was out there just chopping wood like nothing, and he stopped in the road, and Bill was looking shocked that his friend was there, and he said, "Go on to the house with my wife, I'll be there in a minute." So Bill's friend drove on out to the house, and he met with his wife. And when Bill's wife set them down, she made them tea, and they sat there to talk. And Bill's best friend said, "Yeah, I saw Bill at the end of the road, but he said he'd be here in a minute. He was going to finish chopping the wood." His wife's expression dropped, and she looked very shocked, and she told him that Bill had been dead for 4 years, and they agreed that he had seen Bill's ghost, because the lady said that several people had reported speaking to Bill after he had passed away. So the friend was shocked to find that his best friend had passed away and was saddened by that, but he was also shocked that he had just spoken to his friend that had passed away. So I find that a really interesting story, and I thought you guys might like it. I love to hear stories from all the people, especially when they come to me from people that live here in my little small town, and I thought I would share that with you guys because it's just really fascinating to me. The second thing I want to show you is just something Dean found on his job, and that is this doll. He was just in pieces. It was just the head, the arms, and a leg, and I kind of created him a body, but the other leg was not found on the site. But I'm not saying this is haunted or anything by any means. I just like him because he looks creepy, and Dean brought him back for me because he knows that I have a fascination with odd and creepy things. So I wanted to share him with you guys, and he was found in a house that had been built in the late 1800s or early 1900s, and I just thought he was neat, and we made him a body, and now he just needs a little outfit. So if you want, we can name this one too. I just thought I would share him with you guys because he's kind of creepy and kind of cute. So yeah, that's something Dean found and brought to me with his one little eyeball. But I wanted to share those two things with you guys because I loved that story, and I thought it was neat that Dean found this in an old home, and we were able to put them back together. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already. I post a new video every Wednesday and Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. You guys mean the world to me, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.